Hi everyone, Abby here with another Pixera Bite. Today I'll be going over a new 2.0 feature, GUI Lock. This enables you to lock your GUI and step away from your project and ensure that it remains untouched. Let's check it out. In the Settings tab, under Project, scroll down to find the Lock GUI area. Click on Configure and set your password. You can only set this once, so choose wisely. If you forget it, you can view the password here by clicking on the eye icon. As you can see, there are 3 allowed areas. Let's check out Timeline List first. To lock your GUI, simply click on the lock icon and enter your password. You can tell that your GUI is locked if the icon is filled in yellow. Now you can navigate through tabs, but you can't click on anything else. Since I have timeline lists allowed, I can access my timeline through my timeline list. I can click play, I can hit pause, I can jump to the next queue, I can jump back a queue, I can stop a timeline and play another. Let's get this one back up. Now to unlock my GUI, simply click on the lock icon again and enter your password. Now let's reconfigure our GUI lock. This time I want to allow timeline transport and timeline time. I'll lock it again. And now in compositing, I can't access my content through the timeline list. I can, however, click play, pause, and stop in my transport area here. I can also grab my now pointer and scrub through it on the timeline time. I can click to different spots. I can hit my spacebar to pause and to play. Let's unlock one more time. And there you have it. That's GUI Lock. Hope you liked it.